This problem is a limiting reactant problem because it gives you moles of two reactants and asks how much product is made. Also has two numbers and it doesn't say percent yield anywhere. So we have 3.91 moles of Fe2O3 and 5.3 moles of CO. Now in this case we have two products and we could decide which one was the limiting reactant using either product, but you're asked how much iron. So let's find out how much iron they could make so that we answer the question while we find out which one's the limiting reactant. So our balanced equation, and let's make sure it's balanced, 2 and 2, 3 plus 3 is 6, 6, and 3 and 3. So our balanced equation tells us that for every 1 mole of Fe2O3 used up, we make 2 moles of iron. And for every 3 moles of carbon monoxide, we make 2 moles of iron. So let's find out which one limits us. 3.1 moles of Fe2O3, and our mole ratio says to put 1 mole of Fe2O3 on the bottom and 2 moles of iron on the top. So we have 6.2 moles of iron. So our 5.3 moles of carbon monoxide, our mole ratio tells us to put 3 moles on the bottom and 2 moles on the top. So we do 5.3 times 2 divided by 3, and we get 3.5 moles of iron. So how much do we actually make? 3.5 moles of iron, because our carbon monoxide runs out then. So once again, the smaller amount was not the limiting reactant, it was the excess. Be careful and don't just assume.